Every almond begins its journey in carefully managed orchards.
Timing is critical as the harvest season reaches its peak.
Specialized equipment prepares to release thousands of almonds.
A powerful shake separates the crop from the branches.
The moisture content is high in this section.
Check over here, I found some mold.
Noted. We'll mark this row for redrying.
Field equipment organizes the crop for efficient recovery.
Keep an eye on the transfer rate. We're hitting peak capacity right here.
Got it. Looks like bin 3 is almost full.
Field storage units temporarily hold the valuable harvest. The crop begins its movement toward processing facilities. Each load is checked before leaving the orchard.
Field quality checks help maintain processing standards.
Moisture control is essential for safe storage and processing.
The harvested almonds now begin their industrial journey. Efficient logistics connect farms with modern factories. Harvest volumes are organized before large-scale transport.
Every shipment is documented before processing begins.
Accurate records ensure full traceability of the harvest.
From orchard to industry, the almond's transformation has begun.
Freshly harvested almonds begin their route to processing. Efficient transport preserves quality from farm to factory. Large harvest volumes required synchronized logistics.
The destination now comes into view.
Every shipment enters through a controlled receiving process.
Documentation confirms the origin of every load.
The almonds have officially entered the processing facility.
A modern factory prepares to handle the incoming harvest.
Precise measurements begin the factory intake process.
Verification ensures complete shipment traceability.
The facility is designed for continuous product flow.
Accurate positioning prepares the crop for unloading. Safety procedures protect workers and product alike. The receiving system prepares for high-volume intake. Gravity now assists the unloading process. The factory receives the harvest in a continuous flow. The factory receives the harvest in a continuous flow. First, automated systems take control of the product.
The almonds now enter the heart of the processing facility.
Inside this facility, advanced systems transform raw harvests into market-ready almonds. The processing journey begins immediately after receiving. Thousands of kilograms move through the facility each day. Controlled feeding ensures a consistent production flow.